everybody, my name is Dan from Triangle X, and I have some very bad news for you. The tennis project file sadly have been deleted, and well, I'm sorry, but don't worry, I have a better version, I hope, that I think will satisfy everyone way more. So let's just create a new Java project. Don't worry. Tennis. Okay. Hey. First of all, build path. Configure build path and add external jars LWJGL underscore util and LWJGL. Then remember to set a native library location. I'm sorry I'm so speedy up, just OBS decided to be a jerk and not work for me. So I'm using NVIDIA and well, Audacity, so it's very weird for me right now. So, but anyway, let's create a new package, main. Okay. Now a new class called tennis. Okay. Now we're gonna need some variables. So private static tennis. Let's call it tennis. And okay, now just copy. I'm sorry, I just don't have too much time. Just copy all of these variables right here. And now let's start with our main method. So public static void main with string args, and just insert these methods init l init game loop and clean up. Okay, now create all of these methods right here. Okay, sorry, just I started recording, then OBS started to be a douche, so airplane go away. So yeah, I'm sorry, I'm really stressed out for time. So anyway, let's create in our I don't know why. Okay. In our init method down here, now it's kind of confusing. I should have coded that. I will fix this in clean episodes, not now. So anyway, make tennis, this variable right here, be a new tennis class. Okay, now very simple, display dot set display mode, a new display mode with tennis dot display width, the variable we created, and tennis dot display height. Now just import display mode from OpenGL and surround it with try and catch, which saves a huge amount of time. Okay, now display dot set initial background, and let's just set it to white. See, when I recorded with OBS, it took so long to do all of this. Just only the typing. Just when I typed a dot, just years it took it to load. Next, display dot set title. Here we are. Here, and just tennis dot title. Practically, you don't actually have to get a tennis variable right here, but it is cleaner than just saying this. So it's good. It's fine to say just this dot, but this is like nicer to the eye just by using it. Now display dot create right here. Now the code I'm gonna write in this is, it's not particularly efficient. It's really not efficient, but it's only Pong technically, so who needs efficiency when you write Pong? Alright, I got this good. Now what? Yeah. Let's go to cleanup and just remember, see, this is running variable right here. Just say is running is equal to false, false, and display dot destroy. Fantastic. So now let's I just want to check all the time if everything's working correctly, so sorry about that. I'm really like distracted. So now in our game loop method, let's create a while loop, and while display dot is not present, remember that at remember that, just so it's like not close requested, and is running. Okay, now GL11 dot GL clear with GL11 dot GL underscore color buffer bit, and now do like this, GL11 dot GL underscore depth, and just take this spot, Control C, or wait, just faster, L11 dot GL load identity. So I'm just making space. Now display dot sync with let's set it to 100. No, actually simply 60, I think. Plus I'm pretty sure this video is recording in 4K because of NVIDIA. Really nice, huh? You probably don't watch it in 4K and never watch videos in 4K. I mean, it's nice, but kind of useless. And display.update. Now let's create another method right here, which made us a lot of trouble last time. So public void init 2D, and this is our 2D camera, and I'm very sorry for what I'm about to do right now, but because of a big lack of time, I'm sorry. I'm seriously sorry. I know it's hard, I really do, but time is precious and we don't have much of it. So now create a new class. As you remember from last time, we created a GUI class. Now the GUI class is exactly the same. I'm not even kidding. So if you didn't delete the last project, you can just copy and paste everything in the GUI class. It will work great. So anyway, let's just create a very quick public load, sorry, get red from hex with int color, and right here return just float with color these thingies and 16 the end symbol thingy 0x ff divided by 255 f. Okay, now take this, copy it 3 times. Okay, now this, make this green, blue and alpha right here. Now the green, change this from 16 to 8, in the blue just completely split this, and in the alpha make this 16 at 24. Next, sorry, I'm really stressed out. So public void draw rect with a float x a float, y a float, with a float, height of and an int color. So now create a variable inside this method. It's gonna be float r, the variable name is r, and now this dot gets red from hex with color. Very simple, just do the same from every other color. This dot get green color, float b equals to this dot get blue from hex with color, and finally float a, which is equal to this dot get alpha from hex with color. Next, oh my god, GL11 dot GL enable right here, and GL11 dot GL underscore land, and now GL11 dot GL disable GL11 dot GL underscore texture underscore 2D. Now GL11 dot GL color for F with RGBA, and GL11 dot fucking choppers GL begin. Sorry, I have a lot of military and thingies going around where I live. Really annoying sometimes, just sleeping down, you hear freaking F something just flying above you. It's so loud. Sorry. GL11 dot GL underscore quads. Now tab just so you're inside the GL begin, and GL11 dot GL vertex 2D with XY. Now take this, Control C, V, Control V, Control V, everywhere. Now the X in the first one is plus. With you, if you watch the previous time, you remember this. Y, everything is like this, and the Y plus. Height right here, and here just the Y plus height. Okay, I hope the sound is good. Really don't know. Anyway, now come back to the line with the begin. You know, same. You know, you see what I'm doing. GL11 dot GL end. And now just Control C, Control V, and instead of enable, just disable. Wow, disable. Okay, and then instead of disable, enable. Great. I think I've got it. Yes, yeah, I did. In here, just do in the game loop method in the tennis class, just in between the GL loaded in identity and the sync, just do tennis dot init 2D, and if you run it, just gonna work exactly the same. So, oh my god, I think I'm gonna have a heart attack. But anyway, hope you enjoyed, hope you learned, and in the next video we're gonna render, we're gonna make an entity class, a player class, a world class, and we will actually draw the rectangle that's gonna be the player, and after that we're gonna add some movement to it. So I hope everything is good with the recording. I'm just extremely annoyed with OBS. Stupid errors all the freaking time. But anyway, hope you enjoyed, hope you learned, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Let it go.